How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So the last time we had done the Club Factory haul, which was the jewelry section. I've picked up 3 clothing items for 3 different occasions. I'm gonna style them in 2 different ways. And the first item that I've picked up is this amazing maxi dress. You can wear it to an engagement party. It was priced below 1000, something around 850 to 950. I'll link it here, the price. And it's this purple gown and I really loved it. The next item that I got is this white color maxi dress, or you can even use it as a kurti, wearing a off-white or a white churidar below. Last item is the most favorite and the most cute item. It's a doll dress. You can sport it in the winters because it is super duper thick, and if you want to wear it during the monsoons also, this is super duper good because it's short and the material keeps you warm. So the material, the quality of all the 3 items that I've got is super amazing. I even got a pair of shoes along, and all of the 4 items were into the budget of rupees 3000. If you're looking for a budget friendly app, Club Factory app is the must. And here there's one thing that I've realized: if you pick up items above 400, you're gonna get the best quality. Don't go for really cheap ones, then you don't get the good quality compared to the price. Obviously, if you want something really good, but again discounted rate, then go for something above 400. It takes around 20 to 25 days for the package to arrive at your place. The package is all very good in Ziplocs, so you don't have to worry about that too. So let's get started with the styling and the reviewing in this video. So this is the white kurti that I was talking about. I ordered it in the size large. Mind you guys, after washing it, it shrinks a bit. So make sure you order the size accordingly. And it is very transparent, so I'm wearing a white slip inside, and then you are comfortable. So for this look, I'm wearing huge, chunky, colorful jhumkas. Paired it with a pair of a neck piece which completes the boho vibe. Wearing colorful chappals as well as payal, and this is my go-to look for summer shopping. I can sport this look actually anywhere because summers are pouring so much of heat, and white is totally the color of summers. What are you doing here? Why are you here?
You have the same dress?
Oh God.
At least tell me when
you're wearing the same kurti.
You're impossible.
Oh hello, why do I even tell you? Wait a minute. You can style this kurti or one piece as she's saying in the second way and second look in which I'm wearing. Remember the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai wala scene where Kajol sports a white kurti and the bandhani odhni? It looks so gorgeous. I totally love that look.
Okay,
and that is what I've tried recreating in this look. I'm wearing a brown mojdi, off-white leggings or a churidar, whichever you. A bright bandhani odhni, some jhumkas or earrings, heavy ones, because that looks good. And that's it. You're done with the look.
सच बताने का वक्त आ गया है. चल अब बता दे सच.
I can handle it. Let me handle it my way. To be really honest, I'm petite, just 5. So this is actually a dress for me. I have ordered this in the size XL. It gives the perfect flare of a doll dress. But if you're taller than me, then I'm sure you need to wear a pair with jeans or stockings, whichever you prefer. Now I love ripped jeans, and pairing this with ripped jeans takes this to another level.
The material of this dress is super duper thick. The summers से सोचना भी नहीं, unless and until you are traveling in a AC cab or a AC train, you're dropping off to a location which is fully air conditioned. And winters में it's a complete yes here to keep you warm from the cold outside.
perfectly at the waistline. The neck was a bit deep, and because I had a lot of extra length down in here, I cut the length short and I got this little patch stitched over here so that I'm not uncomfortable even when I wear it outside in public. These are not real flowers, these are something which I had in my house. My mom got it done for me, so it's a perfect hairdo and I do not like a lot of accessories, so this is it. I love this gown, it's under a budget of 1,000, so और क्या चाहिए life में? Set है यार.
This is my best buy till date. It is block heels, it has intricate design and it also is pointed and it is very comfortable. You can even travel wearing them in local train.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and all the good things, and I'll see you next time. Bye!